What's up, Hand Plan affiliates? Austin Maliolo.
Spencer Hendel.
And we want to give you some insight to how to execute on the July focus, which is going to be chippers and the beach body. So the beach body kind of speaks for itself. You essentially just, at the end of your workout, have your members flex, have some fun. Just make it low key, make it relaxed. It's just some fun stuff, but members love it. So make sure that in our timeline in classes, we incorporate enough time to get that stuff in there so everyone feels like they have the opportunity to have some fun, hit their abs, hit the chest, hit the biceps, all that good stuff. But make sure we're following the lesson plan, building our lesson plans to put that in there. More importantly, class execution for chippers, which we're going to see more of, which we don't see too often. Now, we'll try to give you guys a good amount of options for equipment, logistics, safety, since that can be sometimes difficult, but we'll take care of that end. Something we want to charge you guys with is scaling appropriately. For example, you're going to see bigger sets of gymnastic movements and weightlifting movements. For gymnastic movement, if we see 50 chest to bar pull-ups in a chipper, since that's the only time we're going to see pull-ups in that workout, maybe we scale that down to 30 pull-up attempts, which is a rare scaling option, but giving them the exposure to being on something for a good amount of time. So we don't do that too often for obvious reasons, but this is, again, a way to keep them involved in that. Another option that you can do is we'll give you a time domain. For example, in that same piece, if the 50 chest to bar pull-ups are going to take 2 minutes, maybe you give them 2 minutes of attempts or 2 minutes max pull-ups, as long as they're not going to get over it, but that shouldn't be a problem. The last little piece on this is making sure that if in front of you, you see something that you should change, a scaling option based off the athlete, make that change right away, certainly within a chipper to move them on. Like, hey, you look good, move on to the next movement. Making sure you really stay in touch with your athletes throughout a chipper is going to be important, or else they can get backlogged and we're not going to get the stimulus we want. But have fun, excite your members up. They love chippers and they love the beach body. So work hard and have fun.